Good morning. This is Dhanashree, Assistant Professor and HOD, Department of Biochemistry, KVR Government Degree College, Kurnool. I am feeling happy to be a part of this online faculty development program on academic quality assurance through outcome-based education organized by E&ICT Academy, NIT Warangal, in association with Narayanamma Institute of Technology and Science. I thank all the organizers, and being a biochemistry faculty, I thought that it would be difficult to learn all these technical things, but when I come to the end of this FDP, really I learned so many things from this workshop, from this faculty development program, like the class handlings, teaching and learning tools, outcome-based education, pedagogy tools, online teaching, learning, creative, learner-centric environment, active learning methods, learning taxonomies, digital technologies, etc. From the beginning onwards, I actively participated in this program, and as per the given works, I used to follow the instructions and created Moodle account and added users and a course created, and for that course I added topics, I added materials, I added objectives, and also learned how to insert videos and presentations in the course. And then by listening to Srinivas sir lecture, I learned so many things, and by using Screencastify I created one YouTube video and could uploaded that video, and also I tried PowerPoint presentation, Cube Recorder, and these tools will be very much useful in making my teaching effective. And later on classes I learned how to import and export questions in Genomio sites and Moodle sites in different formats of questions, icon formats, though they are difficult to learn for me. I could follow the things and I could import the questions in different formats, and I could export the questions also, and I had got the clear idea about the formats of different formats of questions also. Then I also learned how to create course designs, and by using National Mission Project, as Somyajulu sir said, I tried to develop my course content by using that website also. In addition to this, I learned so many things from the resource persons, and I thank all the resource persons for giving their valuable time and their valuable information, sharing with us and making us effective learners in these online teaching methods. Thank you one and all.